Good morning, ladies. This is Dr. Renette again. Today I want to speak to the moms to be, and those of you who wish or want to be moms somewhere in the future. I want to tell you, you were born for such a time as this. Do you feel the weight of the past pressing into your present? Do you see patterns of trauma, of pain, of dysfunction running through your bloodline? Things you swore you'd never pass down. Yet somehow they still show up in your life, in the life of your children, and in your home. You are not imagining it, and you are not alone. There's a reason you are here. There's a reason your heart longs for freedom. There's a reason for your season, not just for yourself, but for your children and generations to come. You are the chain breaker. You are the one called to end the cycles. You are the mother or mother to be God has chosen to birth a new legacy. Like Queen Esther in the Bible, you may not have fully realized the weight of your calling until now, but God has been preparing you. He has been refining you, and He is now calling you forward to rise, to heal, and to stand in the gap for your family. This is why I created this safe space. This is why I walk with women like you, mothers who have had enough, who refuse to let the past define their future, and who are ready to break the chains of generational trauma once and for all. If this resonates with you, if you feel that stirring in your spirit, then you are in the right place. Drop a firebomb, I'm ready, in the comments if this is you. Let's begin the journey to healing together. Bye, ladies. See you later. Shalom.